Hi, I'm Babita. So my brand is Jewels Pitara, which
Okay.
is like exclusive in Korean designs
Okay.
and anti-tarnish and 18 karat gold plated jewelry.
Okay.
These are 18 karat gold plated neck chains which you can use it regularly like gold only, waterproof, sweat proof. एंड इसमें ही आपको गोल्ड प्लेटिंग में मिलेगा डबल लेयर वाला जो कि आजकल बहुत ट्रेंडिंग चल रहा है. सो वी स्टार्ट्स गोल्ड प्लेटिंग का हमारा प्राइस 699 से स्टार्ट है.
Okay.
देन आपको डबल लेयर 1299 में मिल जाएगा कोई भी डिज़ाइन जो भी आप पिक करेंगे.
Okay.
सी दीज आर इन ट्रेंड राइट नाउ, दीज डबल लेयर्स.
Okay.
फिर हमारे पास सिंगल लेयर में अगर रिंग्स में देखेंगे आप पहले तो बहुत वैरायटी मिलेगी. इसमें भी आपको गोल्ड प्लेटिंग भी मिलेगा और एंटी टार्निश भी मिलेगा. लाइक दीज आर गोल्ड प्लेटेड क्लोवर डिज़ाइन
Okay.
एंड दीज आर स्पिनर रिंग्स, एंजाइटी रिंग्स.
Okay. Starting price in the rings?
इसमें हम लोगों का 99 रुपीज़ से स्टार्ट है.
Okay.
And then if we come to bracelets, these are gold plated as well. And these are double layer bracelets.
Okay.
Evil Eye के जो आजकल बहुत ट्रेंडिंग चल रहे हैं. नेक चेन्स आप देखेंगे तो सिंगल लेयर बहुत वैरायटी है. ऑल कोरियन डिज़ाइंस. सी इफ़ यू लाइक मिनिमल डिज़ाइंस, these are the minimal design neck chains. So if you like chunky designs, then we have that also. So it's all about your style, how you like to layer it. उसके बाद हम लोगों के पास ट्रिपल लेयर में आपको सिल्वर में मिल जाएंगी नेक चेन्स.
Okay. Is this pure silver?
No, these are like color is silver, stainless steel.
Okay.
These are also anti tarnish, triple layer because some
Okay.
people they like to stack it up.
Yeah. Starting price?
Starting price for the neck chain we starts from 199.
Okay. These are 199.
Yeah.
Okay.
These are also neck chains.
Okay.
So if you see here also you will find a lot of variety, spinners, pearl, if you like glitter things. And these are also neck chains. Here you will find these, you can use it 2-in-1 ways. You
Wow.
can open it, reverse the chain. See, if you will reverse it you can use it 2 ways.
Wow.
मैग्नेटिक में इसमें आपको गोल्ड 399 ओनली.
Okay.
इसमें आपको गोल्ड, रोज गोल्ड, सिल्वर
Hmm.
सब ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है.
Okay.
दीज आर ऑल्सो इन ट्रेंड शी शेल. अगर आपको वेकेशन के लिए कुछ पिक करना है, यू कैन गो फॉर दिस काइंड ऑफ डिजाइंस, वेरी प्रिटी, ऑल्सो 399 only. Bracelets, see,
Wow.
just open it and use it. If you like glittery, this very unique design, zip,
Zip like.
yeah, you can open it front opening bracelets as well.
Wow.
फिर हमारे पास ब्रेसलेट्स में और वैरायटी है, चंकी, हैवियर साइड, इफ़ यू लाइक एनीथिंग, some people they like chunky bracelets, so you can go for this type of bracelets. See this.
Online
Again,
delivery కదా మీరు?
online we are actually purely online only.
ఓకే.
So
ఆన్లైన్ డెలివరీ చేస్తారా?
yes, all
Okay.
over India we do delivery.
ఓకే.
And see, if you like anything for vacation, you can go for this type of bracelets as well. So आपको रेगुलर वेयर से लेके वेकेशन, ऑफिस वेयर, एवरीथिंग यू विल फाइंड ऑन आवर स्टोर.
ఓకే.
So these are again gold plated bracelets, and price is like budget friendly for gold plating as well. And if you go for earrings, we have
కస్టమైజేషన్ అవైలబుల్ ఉందా మీ దగ్గర?
not customization, but we can like give you some exclusive designs, Korean designs, which you will not find it anywhere.
ఓకే.
So that's the like good thing about our designs, that you will not see it like everyone is wearing the same designs. No,
Okay.
you will feel exclusive only.
దీస్ ఆర్ ఇయరింగ్స్.
These are earrings. We have lot of variety in earrings, more than 500 designs.
ఓకే.
See, all these are in trend right now,
ఓకే.
and these are also anti-tarnish. So in earring we starts from 99. Again, these are gold plated earrings,
ఓకే. స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్?
starting from 499 for gold plating, but
Okay.
if you go for earrings we starts from 99.
వావ్.
149 goes according to the quality, and plating it differs. Again, here these are all exclusive Korean design earrings. You see, you can use it two ways, this earring. You can use pearl only, or you can use dangler as well. So you can use it two ways. So if you come here, these are gold plated again.
ఇవి ఎక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అవుతున్నాయి ప్రైస్?
499.
ఓకే.
For gold plating starts from 499.
ఓకే. ఇది వాటర్ ప్రూఫ్?
Waterproof, you can use it regularly like gold, no problem. Waterproof, sweatproof, you can take shower also with them.
ఓకే.
No issues. See here, these are very exclusive. Snowflake. Then if you like long earrings, party wear, something like that. For regular wear, we have these hoops.
వావ్.
And we have a lot of variety here as well.
ఓకే.
We are here, you will see all our Korean design necklaces, which are also anti-tarnish, waterproof, sweatproof.
ఓకే.
And you will see the design, it's different designs, you will not find it anywhere, this kind of designs. And here we have gold plated neck chains in Cuban chain. See here, these are gold plated neck chains, and these are triple layer neck chain,
ఓకే. స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్?
starting from 999 for gold plating.
ఓకే.
This 999, that triple layer is 1499.
వావ్.
Use it like gold, no need to worry about the color.
ఓకే.
And lot of variety here as well in neck chain, something for vacation, triple layer, and with pearl design as well.
సో వి విల్ గెట్ ద రెగ్యులర్ అప్డేట్స్ ఇన్ ఇన్స్టా, రైట్?
Yes,
ఓకే.
we upload all our products on Insta, we upload all our reels, you can go through that, and you can DM us, or you can go to our WhatsApp number as well, or website link.
Okay.
Anyway is fine.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.